Now, President Uhuru Kenyatta has led the country in congratulating Eliud Kipchoge for smashing the world record at the Berlin Marathon.
Well, Kenyans from around the country broke the internet to celebrate Eliud Kipchoge and Gladys Cherono's double win in Berlin. Raquel Wigai reports.
With bated breath, Kenyans watched as Eliud Kipchoge did what he does best. Kipchoge's wife glued to the screen undistracted. The turnout 1,000 miles away from Berlin, a show of support to Kenya's own. As soon as Eliud Kipchoge crossed the finish line to win the Berlin Marathon, setting the new world record, Kenyans back at home broke into song and dance.
Eliud Kipchoge!
Grace Sugut, Kipchoge's wife, stating that the win was not a surprise.
Tumetarajia but si kwa minutes, kwa masekunde, lakini amecharifu, amefunja hiyo rekodi na 1 minute. Tumefurahia sana kama familia.
President Uhuru Kenyatta and Eliud Odinga were among leaders who hailed Eliud Kipchoge and Grace Cherono's win. In a statement, President Uhuru Kenyatta wrote, "You are our heroes. You have once again done our nation proud." Further stating that his government will do everything in its power to support all those talented in sports. Opposition leader Eliud Odinga tweeted that Kipchoge's win was an inspiration to the youth in the country. In Eldoret, Kapsabet and the 10 towns, Kenyans were ecstatic about the win.
I can assure you it's a record that is not going to be broken in the near future for at least 10 years. So as people of Uasin Gishu County, we are very happy. We are very happy for the family of Kipchoge. So we cannot say anything else. We are very happy.
For sure, actually, we never had any doubt for this record. This record was there since before. Eliud was man seen to break the record. And today, he has delivered.
The new world record set by Eliud Kipchoge, coupled up with Grace Cherono's win at the Berlin Marathon, has been timely, as it will perhaps change Kenya's outlook in the international athletics scene, especially after a section of Kenyan athletes tested positive in doping tests. Raquel Migai, Citizen TV, Nairobi.